And in this video, we are going to enclose all the possible reasons why you need a Forex VPS. If you get all these answers, you will get the clear understanding, because this is the one of the best video that help you understand in depth why you need a Forex VPS for auto trading or a day-to-day trading activities. So let's start with the process. Before that, there are many queries are similar like this. Some of the questions are, should I use Forex Windows VPS for trading? Why we need to use a Forex trading for the meta trading? How to use a VPS for the trading? And there are a lot of questions are there, and many people are asking the similar questions like why some people use Forex trading. The answers are all in one single video. And if you need any other queries like what is Forex trading, benefit, and there are a lot of things, the links are given in the description. So you will get a lot of answers and a lot of solutions out of it. So if you need any other queries, so please comment below. For now, we are going to the topic why we need a Forex VPS. So there are a lot of benefits or a lot of advantages will be there. So we'll start one by one. The very first, if you are new in the Forex VPS, so the question was, should I use Forex VPS? The answer is very simple. When you are new in this industry, so that time what you will do, you need to use for the demo, right? So when you use any MT4 or any auto trading platform, so at that time you use your computer, right? So that time the chances are, maybe if they are not genuine or they are not a legal company, so that time they might take control of your computer, right? Yeah, obviously this happens with a lot of people and they lost a lot of money. So better to have another system, so you can able to test on that system, and once the testing completed, you can able to leave that system. This is what the first advantage is. You can use it for the testing purpose, or you can, in other words, you can able to say like it can be used for the demo purpose. So you can able to do a demo or a testing of any applications, and once they running smooth and simple, you will get the understanding. So that time you can able to run them 24/7 with the help of again Forex VPS. So the very first we have completed. Now the second question, why we need to use a Forex VPS? So you can able to say second advantage or second reasons. The answer is very simple. If you are running any Forex trading from your local computer, so that time there might be a chances that you may get lag because of internet connection, or because of your computer issues. Maybe sometime your computer gets shut down, or maybe overheated, or there are a lot of things will be latency, or sometimes your browser stop working. So there are a lot of answers will be there. But if you use a Forex VPS, that time you will get a stable infrastructure, you will get a security, you will not get a lag, you will get a better latency, you will get a securities, you will get no downtime. Means there is no downtime, means you can able to do a better trading. So this is what the advantage is. Now the third advantage is, or third reason why we need a Forex VPS. When you try or run any trading applications on your computer, so like let's say you are running a auto trader and they are not legal, so that time what they will do, they add some malware or viruses in that, and they will infect your entire computer. Yes, that happens in the market, and because of that you need another computer, right? So that time the another computer that is called as a remote computer, it is a Forex VPS. So definitely it will be a best option for testing, demonstration, or any kind of evaluations before actually proving that it is working for you. So that time always use Forex VPS. Never use your local computer, because anything goes wrong, your data, your accounts, your computer, everything will go down. So definitely we recommend you to go with the Forex VPS. And so now the next thing. So when we talk about the local computer or server, so that time always make sure that local computer has some limitations. Like when you run your local computer, so that time other applications that are also running. So that means they are also consuming your internet, they are also consuming your CPU, they are also consuming your RAM and all. So you will not get 100% accuracy in the trading system. So means MT4 and other applications will not run as that dedications as the other, or as that the Forex VPS do. So this is what the advantage is. Now the next one is, it will save a cost. So the question is how? The answer is very simple. If you run a Forex VPS on your computer, right? So you need to run 24/7. So that time your system may burn. If your system may burn, so that time you may lose $1,000 as a laptop cost, right? Better to have $10 or $20 VPS, that to be for the 1 month. And if work or trading completed, you don't need, you can able to discontinue anytime, and anytime you can able to purchase a fresh new server, and you will get a full data center based services. So it is a very advantage, because if you are looking for $20 and you are doing on a local computer, that definitely you will get a lot of problems in your computer, and you may face the burning, or even if your computer may get crash, because it has not a capacity to run 24/7. These are made for the personal usage, not for the trading and all. So better to have a specialized servers, that is a Forex VPS. Now the advantages will not stop here. There are a lot of things we have seen the many companies or many individuals. These are actually doing what? They are doing very simple. They first install MT4, and then they are installing some bots. So they do auto trading, and they complete every week. They go and check for the 2 or 3 times, and they are generating like $100, $400. Some are generating $5,000. Some are generating even if $20,000 as well. But the thing is here, why we need a Forex VPS? So here we have given a lot of answers. If you still have any other doubts or any other queries, just comment below. We are available, so we will help you out in your questions.